What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Grab a seat. I got a real treat for everybody. 1968 Camaro SS. Ocean dark blue metallic. 383 stroker. Unbelievable paint. High-rise manifold. Four-wheel disc brakes all the way around. Excellent upgraded headers, the hookers, which we like hookers. Serpentine belt setup with air conditioning. Maybe, and I say maybe, 2,000 miles on this whole build. Aluminum radiator racing with dual fans. Powder-coated frame. Amazing. And the paint is unbelievable. It was a nut to bolt redo. Look at the special wheel package. Those are US mags. You've got 30 fat tires on the back. Those are 20s, 30 wide. You got 20s in the front. This thing, the lines and the paint just show great. The grille and front bumper, excellent. And the lower fairing, great shape. This car runs out wonderful. Look at the suspension. All street racing suspension inside here. Powder coated frame. Unbelievable. Uh-oh, let me fix this. You got to pull out to put it back in. I forgot. Hang on, put it down. There you go. Thank you. All right, so front fender's great. Now with these big tires, they rub sometimes, folks, so you'll hear some noises a little bit because those tires are tall, wide, and they handle. Those are 35s in the front. The gaps out great to the fender. Got nice tinted windows, and all your glass is in great shape. All your chrome and moldings are in great shape. Quarter to the door, just the way it should. And the quarter's in great shape. Paint just lays, I found no flaws whatsoever. Nice tinted window in the back as well. Trunk lines up great. There's your rear bumper setup. Take a look. Now that's a fat tire. All new bolts, front to back, frame off car. Just beautiful. Dual exhaust sounds amazing. Nothing on the, no paint flaws here. Again, these are US mags. Slotted and rotor on your rotors. Gaps out great. All your chrome is good. As well as here. Oh, I found one little tiny thing. A little tiny little dent. I like finding stuff. Look at this, I'll get off the side. It's amazing. SS hood. Let me fire this baby up. Black interior, all SS, as well as the dash. Door panels are great. Dash is great. Air conditioned. Gauges are all working except the fuel gauge. Tack inside there's working. Back seat's great. Headliner, dome lights working. All carpets, everything. This thing's amazing. All right. We are located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Our warehouse is open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. There we go. It's a little cold. I'll get her going. We've got over 190 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our pricing, all our descriptions and video are online. Nice. Uh-oh, what do we got here? All right, let's turn. You hear it rub a little bit, everybody? It's because those tires are big. That's what you have to weigh against, you know, when you got those big tire packages on these things, but it runs and handles great. We offer special financing up to 180 months if you've got good credit with 10% down. We do shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured. I'll give you my number in a second. Let's see what she's got. Uh-oh, that's me. All right, let's see. 383 stroker, the way it should be. Up a little bit so I'm not in the middle of traffic. Paint, like I said, is just amazing. Oh, reverse is feeling good. All right, go on, buddy. There you go. All right, you're gonna hear it now, like I told you, because the tires are so large, but I want you to hear it. It's just the tires. Hear that one little thing? That's it. Through the gears, great. A lot of power, a lot of pull. The thing's got a lot of torque. They built it right. If you need to get a hold of me on this particular car or have any questions on anything, call me at 773-600-0919. Here, scratch it again. That's 773-600-0919. Let's do another pass. Ocean blue metallic. This is a beautiful car, folks. Like us on Facebook, mgmclassiccars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm going to have a bunch of photos online in a little bit on this one. Thanks for spending some time on this gorgeous 1968 383 stroker Camaro SS, frame off, restored. Nice car, no disappointments. Call me at 773-600-0919. Have a great day, everybody.